Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a tool that will significantly improve your computer's performance and remove hidden unwanted files with just one click. It will also speed up your slow computer and help you free up storage space. This tool is called AWZ PC Cleaner. Let me tell you how to get it and how to use it. Having AWZ PC Cleaner on your computer is essential. It simplifies routine maintenance and saves you a lot of time in keeping your Windows system optimized. And to download the application, open your browser and go to the official application page. To make it easier for you, I've included a direct download link in the video description. Before you download the application, let's take a quick look at the page to see exactly what this program does. The main purpose of this application is to optimize disk space and storage. It doesn't just perform a simple scan, it conducts a comprehensive system scan to identify what's consuming storage space and slowing down your computer. The program also divides everything into 4 main sections to help you clean your disk: cleaning drive C, finding duplicate files, moving large files, and moving applications. In short, it reorganizes your data to restore optimal performance. With just one click, this tool helps you safely clean up unnecessary hidden system files, such as system logs, browser cache, and leftover digital files that traditional cleaning tools don't remove, thus increasing your available storage space. Application has another great feature. It scans for and removes duplicate photos, videos, and documents that unnecessarily waste your storage space. This helps you organize your libraries and instantly free up valuable storage space by keeping only the unique files you actually need. One of its important features is that this program precisely adjusts its settings and prevents unnecessary background applications from consuming processor resources. This significantly reduces startup time and increases system responsiveness for a completely smooth user experience. Finally, it completely removes stubborn applications that traditional uninstallers leave behind, ensuring no ghost files or registry leftovers remain. It offers batch uninstallation and safely wipes out all residual data to keep your system light and clean. And the application's technical specifications are very simple. It supports Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, and even Windows 7 operating systems. It requires a 1 GHz processor, at least 256 MB of RAM, and an Intel HD Graphics 5000 or later graphics card. In short, no matter how old or modest your computer is, this application is lightweight enough to run smoothly without affecting system performance. Now, to get the application, go back to the top of the page and click the free download button to get the installation file. As you can see, the application is very lightweight, so the download will complete instantly without wasting your time. And go to your downloads folder and double-click the installer file to start it. Installation is very easy. Just click the Install Now button, and it will only take a few seconds to extract and configure everything safely on your computer. Once the installation is complete, click the Start Now button, and the application will launch immediately, ready to improve your computer's performance. Once it opens, you can see right away how clean, modern, and user-friendly this interface is. Everything is neatly organized on the left menu, making it incredibly simple to navigate, without any confusing technical clutter. Luckily, I have an activation code that allows me to fully utilize all of its excellent tools. To activate it, simply go to the top right corner and click the Activate button, then paste the activation code into the designated box and click Activate. The application is now fully activated and ready to use with all its features. Okay, when you select the full scan option from the menu on the left, this scan allows you to perform a deep clean, remove duplicate files, move large files, and migrate applications. You can see how quickly you can access the selected optimization modules directly from this main control panel, and you can click the Scan Now button to perform a scan with a single click. And when you select the Deep Cleanup option from the side menu, this feature specifically targets your C drive to safely free up unnecessary space, giving you a clear view of your drive's capacity before you click the Quick Cleanup button at the bottom. We have the Defragment option. This tool fixes system lag by scanning your hard drives for fragmented files, showing you your exact fragmentation rate across drives like C, D, and E, and allowing you to optimize them with a quick click of the Clean button to ensure smoother file access. Now, let's jump back up to the Full Scan option and kick off a complete system analysis. It only takes a short moment to scan the entire computer, and as you can see, the results are ready. The application successfully found 2.4 GB of data that we can safely free up. It gives us a perfect, clear breakdown of exactly where that junk is hiding, showing files under Deep Cleanup, duplicate files, large file mover, and app migration, giving us a complete picture before we hit that big green Clean button. Okay, let's move on to the Duplicate Files tab. This tab instantly reveals duplicate files, images, and hidden documents on your computer, showing us the exact file paths and the amount of space they occupy, allowing us to safely delete them. And in the deep cleanup section, we'll see very detailed information about rarely used system files, application cache, and unused temporary files that are cluttering your hard drive. Finally, all we have to do is hit that green Clean button in the top right corner. The process takes just a second, giving you a green check mark to confirm the optimization is complete and your system is refreshed. Now, let's head back to the main full-scan dashboard and clear out the bulk of our system junk all at once. We just click that main clean button, let the app do its work for a moment, and there we go. The system confirms that hundreds of megabytes of hidden clutter have been successfully wiped out in just one click, instantly giving us a lighter, more responsive operating system. Next, let's head down to the System Optimizer tool on the side menu. This section gives you total control over fine-tuning windows, showing a list of tweaks you can easily toggle on or off to match your preference. For instance, you can use this area to manage system prompts, like user account control, stop unexpected Windows updates from restarting your PC at the wrong time, or customize your desktop interface by revealing hidden files, extensions, or even bringing back standard icons like this PC to your desktop. Let's take a look at this incredibly useful floating icon, which stays on your desktop for easy access. Whenever you feel your computer slowing down during heavy tasks, you can simply click on it to open this quick boost menu. It automatically categorizes background processes into recommended and optional items, showing you exactly how much memory apps like Google Chrome, WhatsApp, or OneDrive are eating up. You can quickly check or uncheck what you want to close, hit the green Boost Now button, and instantly recover your system's speed without even opening the main application window. Overall, AWZ PC Cleaner proves to be an incredibly efficient, reliable, and user-friendly tool for anyone looking to keep their Windows system running smoothly and free of hidden clutter. Its lightweight design and one-click optimization make routine computer maintenance completely hassle-free. If you found this review and tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on future tech tips and performance guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.